If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this really cute, trendy, popular Bass Pro Shops cap into this lovely rhinestone, blingy, gorgeous hat, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some really pretty blingy, larger size gems that I just received. And these are just so cute. I love these. I'm going to use some E6000 glue to apply them and my wax pickup tool. And this is going to be like a fairly simple DIY. What you're basically going to do is just add on little drops. You don't want to go too big because these gems are on a big side, but if you put too much glue, they'll start to slide. And I did have that issue a little bit, so I just had to kind of slide them back, give a nice little firm press. As you can see, this hat is from Bass Pro Shops. It's $5.99. And for whatever reason, this hat is like kind of trending over the last couple years, I noticed. I've been known about Bass Pro Shops for many years because they're like a really nice sporting goods store. They're mainly like located in the South. But another store named Cabela's, which is also another huge outdoor tactical store, they had these for sale in there. So that's why I picked these hats up. So what I'm basically doing is just going to spread them out. Now, these rhinestones is something I'm just trying out. I thought they were really cute. I want to check the quality out. I want to make sure that the bling in the middle didn't fall out easily. But so far, they seem pretty good. Now, they don't lay completely flat. They have like they're a little raised at the bottom, but they're still flat. But I really do like these. The thing about this, you can use any color you want. If you want to do like all clear rhinestones, you can. The bag that I had like lavender, purple, pinks. You can do any color you want. I don't know if you can tell, but the colors that I chose were the colors that are in this Bass Pro hat. I'm so out of focus. I didn't realize that I wasn't in camera view, so please forgive me for that. So as you can see, the hat has black, it has red, it has yellow, it has hints of green. So those are the colors that I decided to use on this hat, and I just feel like it just looks so pretty. Now, I'm not a really big hat person. Of course, in the wintertime, yeah, like a beanie hat or a skull cap, something like that. But not like a fitted type of hat or baseball type of hat. I don't usually wear anything like that, but these are just so adorable. I thought it would be a cute video to make. I may gift this to someone or add it to my website. I'm not exactly sure how I would ship it. I wouldn't want it to be smashed. But this is so adorable. So you're basically just going to finish watching me just add the rhinestones. Now, if you're asking yourself, why is she using E6000? E6000 is really good when it comes to fabric. But if you know another good, really, really strong hold glue that you prefer or that you do like, let me know. I'll check it out. But yeah, E6000 holds it down, especially on shoes, canvas, leather, like whatever it is. If it's a t-shirt, you can wash it. E6000 is still going to hold those stones on really, really strong. But, you know, just have your fan going as always, because E6000 is really toxic. So sometimes my wax pickup tool act like it didn't want to pick these up. I don't know if they were too heavy, or sometimes I might get like a little bit of glitter on the tip of my wax pickup tool. If that happens, just take a piece of paper or something and just kind of rub your wax pickup tool on that. To kind of get a fresh piece of wax going. Sometimes that helps, but in this case I just had to just start picking the stones up because it was frustrating the heck out of me. So I just went ahead and picked them up, and you see I'm just giving like a gentle press to make sure it's on there, because sometimes with that E6000, by being so thick, your stones will just be floating on top of it and it won't even be pressed down to the actual fabric or whatever the surface is. So just a gentle little press down. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of this cute little Bass Pro Shops, I guess trucker hat, whatever they call these hats. It is so pretty. I love rhinestones, but these, it's just something about them. I think it's the fact that they're like, they have like an oval shape. They have that big pretty gem in the middle, and then around the edge it just has like a smaller rhinestones. These are absolutely lovely, super adorable. Like I said, the hat is like $6, but I've seen people bling these hats out, add whatever they're going to add, and charge as much as like 80 bucks on Etsy. So if this is something that you want to add onto your website, if you're a crafter, you know, or if you want to add this to your table when you do your pop-up shop, the hat is $6. So, you know, based on what you add to it, you can make yourself, you know, a decent amount of money. Now, I didn't go, I felt like I should have went in the very center part with some, with a gem. When their rhinestones are larger like this, I like to call them gems. I don't know why, but I call them gems. Gems, bling, rhinestones, whatever. I didn't want to bother that seam area. I just didn't want to disturb it, so I just kind of left it. But, you know, if you want to, you could do something like this. You can do pearls, you know. You could bling the whole bib of the hat out. It's just so many different things that you can do with something like this. This is definitely, in my opinion, a beginner DIY. Just be careful on how much glue you're using. Angle the hat a certain way when you're putting that E6000 on, because we all know how that E6000 like to ooze out. Put your cap back on as quickly as possible. But use a decent amount to where the gem will stick, but just don't overdo it, because you know, once you press your stone down, that glue is going to ooze out the outside from behind the stone. You could get away with it probably on this white hat, but if you have like a black hat or red or something like that, you'll be able to see that glue residue, and you know, you don't want that. Now, if you're wondering, oh, how much would you charge for something like this? If I was selling hats, I'm not, but you know, from time to time I do custom stuff for people that I know locally. I don't know. The hat is $6. These rhinestones. Now, I bought these from Alibaba.com. This is not something I'm going to be adding to my website, the actual stones. I was just trying them out. I like to just buy stuff and just try stuff out, y'all. But I did see some similar stones to this on Amazon. They were about $10 for 100 of them. They were slightly smaller, and they weren't oval, they were circle. How many of these? What did I use? About 50 pieces of bling on here? I don't know, but I'm thinking like $25 or $30. You know, because you have to take into account the shipping. If you have a website, the conversion fees for putting it on eBay, Etsy, or whatever. But someone else in a different area, they may say $50 for this hat. I'm thinking at least $30 for this hat is a decent, fair price, in my opinion. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you were to make a hat like this, how much would you charge? The hat is $6 plus tax. You know, your time. This didn't take long at all. It didn't. I want to say this didn't take me any more than 20 minutes. And it probably took that long because I wanted to really just think about where I was placing the glue. It probably took 15 minutes. But I just had to go over each one and kind of just press them down to make sure everything was going to stay in place and not slide. But this was a very, I really enjoyed doing this DIY. And I just even more enjoy the outcome. It's super adorable. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested in something like this. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. I thank you guys for watching my channel and supporting. I greatly appreciate you. And thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury-inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.